Hi, second grade. So this is our Super Kids lesson for Wednesday, April the 8th. You need your word workbook, you need your reader, and you need a pencil. Okay, in our word workbooks, we are on page 65 today. All right, so I'm going to pull that up here, page 65. All righty, it says some adjectives change completely when they compare things. Remember, adjectives are words that describe our nouns. A plum tastes good. Apples taste better than plums. A peach tastes best of all. We wouldn't say good, gooder, and goodest. We would say good, better, and best. And then this one, Tack had a bad cold. Tack's cold was worse than Tack's. And Tick had the worst cold of all. We don't say bad, badder, and baddest. We say bad, worse, and worst. All right, so let's take a look here. It says write the correct adjectives on the lines. So good is the word. Alec is blank at soccer. Cass is blank, then Lily at baseball, and Fritz is the blank fisherman of all. So the first line we're going to put good. Alec is good at soccer. Right? See how I did that there? Okay. Cass is better than Lily at baseball. So we write better on the line. Okay, and then Fritz is the best fisherman of all. All righty. Now, for number 2, you're using the word bad. Go up to the box, bad, worse, and worst. Number 3, you are using some, more, and most. And number 4, you're using little, less, and least. Alrighty, go ahead and pause the video if you want to finish this up. Now we're going to take a look at our story. So give me one moment here and I'll get our story opened up. And let's see. I think this is the right story. Batting advice is our story for, oh no, we don't want that. We don't want to start our story all over. Let's give this another shot. It is the story batting advice, which good thing we can get there from the table of contents, which if that's what we have to do, that's not a big deal. We can handle that. So batting advice. Boy, it would be nice if we could have some actual baseball going on these days, wouldn't it? All right, well, let's try doing this. Go back to the very beginning and we will open up the table of contents and we are looking for batting advice. Look at all of those stories we have read so far this year. That's pretty amazing. All right, so batting advice. It's page 118 in your reader. There we go. All right. Well, that was Ms. Blossom's idea. Let's see if we can keep going here. Let me keep turning the pages. Technical difficulties here, friends. I apologize for this. Let's see if we can get our story to open up. I know it's hard to be patient like that, but I appreciate your patience with this. No. Give it one more shot here. Alrighty. Well, I don't know what we're going to do with this. Well, I have a thought. I could just read you batting advice, and that would work just fine. All right, so let's make sure we're on the right page so you can see and hear the story. All right, batting advice. Sal swung fast. Whiff. He missed. Strike 3, yelled the umpire. You're out. Sal frowned as he walked to the bench. He'd struck out again. He used to be the best batter on the team, but this spring he'd missed almost every pitch. Shake it off, said Hot Rod. Bend your knees next time, said Doc. Everyone has slumps, said Oswald. Lift your elbow more, said Fritz. Well, they all had ideas to help him. Sal knew his friends were trying to help, but he wished they'd stop giving him advice. It made him nervous. As Sal walked home after the game, Cass called, "Wait for me." Sal waited for Cass to catch up. Then he waited for her to say something about his batting, like everybody else, but Cass was quiet. "Aren't you going to give me any advice?" Sal asked. "Not me," said Cass. "Words won't help your batting." "That," said Sal, "is the first helpful thing I've heard all day." Well, sounds like Cass has some good points there. She's not going to tell him what to do because by telling him what to do, that might confuse him even more. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Don't forget to put your homework in Seesaw today.